Michael from RokFORM here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and overview of our premium suction phone mount with RokLock. Let's unbox our premium suction phone mount with RokLock. So right here, we'll open it up. We've got the suction mount right there. We've got the suction mount on the bottom as well as the locking mechanism here. So that's how you're gonna twist it and lock it onto whatever surface you're mounting it to. It could be on a desk, on your windshield, refrigerator. So when you first put the mount down, it's gonna have a little bit of bite, but it's not actually locked. You can see right there, you're able to pull it by lifting that tab on the bottom there. But once we press it down, we'll twist it, you'll hear it'll lock into place. And one of the great things about this mount is it's incredibly versatile. So it's got 210 degrees of tilt, so you can go forward, backward, however you want to mount it. And once you find the right angle, you can twist that little lock tab there, and it'll secure it into place. And then additionally, there's another lock tab here on this side, so you can get the RokLock head itself into exactly the right position. So you can see it goes all the way around both directions like that, as well as it can rotate to whatever angle you want or need for wherever you're mounting it. One thing that's important on this mount is it's got our aluminum RokLock head. So that means it will work with our rugged cases and our crystal cases. But in order to be compatible, you need to remove the center plug. So that's what I'm doing right there. So now that I've removed the RokLock plug, we'll mount it onto the RokLock head here. So we'll align it right there, twist it, lock it into place, and now it's secure. And then once we've got that, we can adjust the head to whatever angle we want, depending on where we're having this mounted, whether it's in the car, kitchen, workshop, what have you. The great thing about this mount is that if you want to move it, you have that capability. So what you'll do, you'll just unlock that base there. You can pull up on the suction cup base there as well, and then you can move it to somewhere else, whether that's a different spot on your table, desk, workshop, refrigerator, or windshield. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can call us or email us and visit us at our showroom in Irvine.